guys, it's your girl Gold Obsessions, and I am back with another video. So today I'm going to be doing the actually this is a month review on this wig. Yes, this wig has lasted me a month and I cannot believe it. Actually, I worn this wig about 4 or 5 times, so I feel like I've got some good wear out of it. I feel like this is a really good buy. It didn't tangle as quickly as I thought it would. It didn't start like tangling ridiculously until about the 3rd time that I wore it. Yeah, about the 3rd time that I wore it, which I mean, I didn't really, like I said, I didn't really have a problem with, because I knew that it wasn't going to tangle and I was expecting it, so it really wasn't a huge deal for me. Let's see, shedding. I feel like the shedding really slowed down. I'm also going to do a straighten review, so in 2 weeks I'm going to give an update on like how this wig held up while I was straight or whatever. And then yeah, so that's basically all I have to say about this hair. I definitely still I rate this wig overall, I would say an 8, because the price, the quality, everything, the lace space was just on point. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on, and then we're gonna start straightening it.
Put the team on my back, I do it all for the family. Everyone think they can rap, nobody ever gon' challenge me. Started my week on a Sunday, and then they can make it in one day. I just been ready to take off, waiting my turn on the runway. Never be turning around, never be turning around, ayy. Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gon' crash, I know I'm never gon' crash, ayy. Never be turning around, never be turning around, ayy. Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gon' crash, I know I'm never gon' crash, ayy. Everyone making excuses, I've been busy making music. They just wanna see me fall off, know that I'm never gon' lose it. Got addicted to the chase now, people saying that I changed now. Know that I'm never gon' stand still, I'm treating the game like a race now. They really been carefully watching me, they treated me like I was calories, but really they can't get enough of me. They treated me like I'm a salary, they bringing me up in discussion, they wondering how do I do it so casually. I celebrate all of my victories, all of a sudden they all gonna be mad at me. Damn, I don't have time for concern, I just go live and I learn. Trust me, I waited my turn, living my dream in return. This is a given, it's earned. People been listening over the world, I've been making that money while I be asleep. I never ran to the money, but now all the money been too busy running to me. Ayy, I put the team on my back, I do it all for the family. Everyone think they can rap, nobody ever gon' challenge me. Started my week on a Sunday, they think they can make it in one day. I just been ready to take off, waiting my turn on the runway. Never be turning around, never be turning around, ayy. Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gon' crash, I know I'm never gon' crash, ayy. Never be turning around, never be turning around.
So guys, this is the wig straightened. I definitely love it straightened. Oops. I definitely love it straightened, but I do feel like I'm gonna get more tangles out of it being straightened. Once again, I still don't like that the hairline is like a little short or whatever. But like I said, because of the color and the quality of the hair, I can't get past that. This wig is very, very, very pretty. As far as the density of this wig, it only changed the smidget. It's still full, which I feel like you could thin it out a little if you wanted to. This hair is very soft. I am running my fingers through it. I do feel like it will tangle though over time, but I mean, for $35, what do you expect, sis? Like, and I know a lot of people like was asking me like, why would I wear colored hair that's synthetic or not human hair? But the answer is because when I'm trying different colors of hair, I want to make sure that I like it first, and I don't want to spend hundreds of dollars on a wig that I don't like, or a wig that I know I'm not going to be wearing a lot, like this wig. I would get it in human hair because I do feel like this is a wig that I could wear like here and there, you know what I'm saying? So you can really do it either way, but if you're gonna be wearing it if you're just trying to color, I would definitely suggest getting a synthetic wig first, or seeing if you could like get the cheaper version before you go ahead and just ball out on it, because you never know if you're gonna like it for real, and it would be sad if you like wasted your money on it. I mean, you can always take the color off, but like, let's just say if it's red or something, it does stain. So hey, that's just my opinion. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. I really want to say thank you so much for 700 subscribers. I love you guys so much, and you guys are being very supportive and you're loving me, and I just love it. I really just want to say thank you 1,000 times. Thank you. It's not a lot of us, but I do love you guys. Anyway, I know for a fact when I get to 1,000 subscribers, I am going to do a giveaway, period. That's period. Whatever you guys want me to give away, make sure you put it down in the description box below, or you can DM me on Instagram and let me know what I should do for a giveaway. Thank you guys for watching. Love you so much. Mwah. Bye.
Bye.